Hi, I'm Manpreet and welcome to my channel Simply Unique Manpreet. If you've been struggling with low energy and stress, it's very important to introduce micro exercises or Sukshma Kriya in your daily routine for instant re-energizing. And this video is all about doing these exercises.
Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be showing micro exercises for leg joints which I follow as a part of my morning routine. These exercises are very simple and can be performed by anyone. It's an excellent form of exercise and is effective for people with leg pain, stiffness or having less stamina. These exercises improves blood circulation, increases flexibility and removes tiredness, getting you ready for the day's activities. So let's get started.
Spread your legs in front, palms touching the ground. Keep your feet upright and ankles relaxed. Inhale and slowly move your toes back. Exhale and squeeze your toes in front. Hold for few seconds and repeat this exercise 5 times. Inhale and slowly move your feet back. Exhale and push your toes in front. Hold each position for a few seconds. And repeat this exercise 5 times. Rotate your feet clockwise, tracing a complete circle. Inhale while moving your feet up and exhale while moving down. Repeat this exercise 5 times. Spread your legs apart and bring your feet inside as much as you can. Then try to touch the ground outside. Repeat 5 times. Bend your right knee and clasp the hands under the right thigh. While inhaling, straighten the right leg without touching the floor. While exhaling, Bend the knee, keeping head and spine straight. Repeat 5 times. Do this exercise with the other leg 5 times. Bend your right knee and place the ankle on the left thigh. Interlock your fingers with the toes and rotate the toes clockwise and anti-clockwise directions 5 times each. Repeat the same exercise with the other leg. Leg rotation. Bend the right leg from the knee and cross your hands under the thigh. Raise the right foot from the ground. Rotate the right foot from the knee in a large circular movement. The upper leg and the trunk should be completely straight. Inhale on the upward movement and exhale on the downward movement. Rotate clockwise and then anti-clockwise 5 times each. Do this exercise with the other leg. Repeat 5 times. Bend your right leg and hold the ankle with your hand. Rotate the thigh clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Repeat 5 times. Do this exercise with the other leg. Repeat 5 times. Butterfly stretch. Sit straight, bend both knees, join both the soles together, keeping the heels as close as possible and hold with the hands. Then flap your legs like a butterfly, slowly moving your knees up and down. Repeat 5 times. Try to touch the ground on the downwards toe. Place the hands on the knees. Using the palms, gently lift the legs while inhaling and push the legs down while exhaling. The butterfly pose is a hip opener and renders a great stretch for the inner thighs and groin. It relaxes the tense tissues and improves the flexibility of this region. Don't worry if your knees aren't close to the ground. As your hips loosen up, you'll be able to lower them. It improves blood circulation in the lower body that is stalled due to long sitting hours. Cradling baby pose. Sit in cross-legged position, then lift the top leg and cradle it in arms from knee to foot. Then rock the leg back and forth as if rocking a baby. Repeat 5 times. In addition to being a hip opener, baby cradle pose calms the mind, massages the digestive and reproductive organs, stretches the muscles of the buttocks, strengthens and stretches the groin muscles, and relaxes the lower body.
I really hope that you enjoyed the workout. Let me know in the comments below if you did. Thank you for being with us and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay positive.